Guys, I just wanted to show you all of the button downs that I just finished making that are going to be available in the Kcull Boutique in Little Havana, Miami, and I'll attach the location below. So I just finished making all of these button downs. They're made with should I start over? Hey guys, I just wanted to show you, I'm so awkward. So every button down is made differently. They're each made using button downs that I get at thrift stores that I repurpose and then customize, adding my own artwork onto each button down. I draw directly onto the fabric of the button downs using permanent fabric markers and permanent fabric paints. And then in addition to drawing onto the actual fabric, I also have my artwork printed onto fabrics, and then I patch those fabrics onto both of like the chest panels of the button downs. And depending on what fabrics I have to work with and how much I have left, I kind of just like cut out little scraps and put them in different shapes and different places in collage. And I also use my sketchbook drawings, and that's like the subject matter that I use to work onto my button downs, like a lot of accumulated portraits, building like cityscapes that I've accumulated over the years, a lot of my drawings, and I recycle those drawings and use them on the button downs in different areas of the button downs. So now I'm going to show you all the button downs that I made that are going to be available for purchase. And I also dyed, excuse me, I just burped. I also dyed a good majority of those button downs, like the arm sleeves, just like these pants, using turmeric powder. So it's like naturally dyed, which is cool. So you'll notice like the yellow on the button downs, that's what that is, it's turmeric powder. So here are the button downs. This is the first button down. So again, it's made with my own, this is like from a mixed media painting I did a couple years ago, printed onto like a satiny sheen fabric, and then this is actually a button down. I cut it up and took the parts of the fabric and put it onto this button down. Love yourself, it says. I like to add some like inspirational words onto these button downs at this point because I just want to like inspire and encourage people that it's okay to buy unique things, because sometimes people need that like little extra push of like, it's okay to buy something that's funky or kind of out there. Like, I want people to feel like okay with wearing something that's a little bit unique. A little bit, very unique. And then there's some drawings. So that's the first button down. So then this is the second button down. I really liked the arm sleeves and the collar. I found it at the thrift store. These are all my drawings directly onto the fabric and then printed onto fabric. Just like some scrap piece of denim that I had. And then this is a drawing of New York City. So then this button down, another cropped button down. So this is a portrait drawing directly onto the fabric using fabric markers. Another drawing directly onto the fabric. This is like scrap part of a black button down fabric. I just like cut up a little shape and added that for some composition. And then these are from my own artwork. These are kind of like hybrid cityscape drawings of Miami and New York. See the palm tree? So Miami and New York there. And then these are what some of the oversized button downs look like. So I go to the thrift store, I get men's button downs, you know, the ones they wear to their corporate work jobs. And then I add all of my artwork. So this is a marker drawing that I did on paper originally, and then I had it printed onto a cotton fabric. And then this is like a pair of old pants. I thought because it's fall season that, you know, got to bring out some of the like plaid and houndstooth type stuff. And then this is a drawing I did of a runway model for Versace. This is a makeup artist that I really like. This is just a repurposed piece of fabric. This is a marker drawing I did of Columbus Circle in New York City when I used to live there. Another drawing. Repurposed, like cut up part of another button down, and then I make them into ruffles. And then I just paint and scribble all over the arm sleeves. I think this one's my favorite. So you can wear it open, you can wear it closed.